So let's review your MTLT4 seminar. First thing I want you to do is I want you to discover some properties by doing the attendance problems. So do problems 1 through 3. And what we're going to do is we're going to extend beyond that, and we're going to solve quadratics by using the square root property, which was not what you discovered. What you discovered was by factoring, solving by factoring, and then we're going to write the equations of quadratic functions if you're given the graph or their roots. First thing, square root property. See how it's a perfect square? Well, the inverse operation of squaring is square root. When I take the square root of 21, that's an irrational number. I'm just going to leave it as the square root of 21. When you take the square root of a squared, they cancel out, but it's got to be positive. So really, it's y plus the absolute value, y plus 5. Go back to what we learned before. When you have an absolute value, you have to make two equations. So y plus 5 equals the square root of 21, or y plus 5 equals negative square root of 21. To solve this, we just minus 5 from both sides. They're not like terms. So in the first case, I'll get y equals negative 5 plus the square root of 21. In the second case, minus 5 from both sides. Y equals negative 5 minus the square root of 21. We can simplify that a little bit because notice, got ahead of myself there, that was plus the square root of 21. We can combine the plus and minus, and I can say y equals negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 21, which is really the same thing as what we did here with two equations. And then you can use your calculator if they tell you to round it. So if we take negative 5 plus the square root of 21 on your calculator, you're going to get like negative 0.42. Or if you take negative 5 minus the square root of 21, you get negative 0.96, negative 9.58. And there's your answer.